Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Happy Monday. Today we are filming a cooking video. We're going to be filming Mason's favorite chocolate chip cookies. So we'll be showing you each step and how we make them. Okay? You ready? All right, let's go. So we are starting with 2 sticks of softened butter and a glass bowl. So we're gonna unwrap the butter and put them into the bowl. Here you go, Kooks. Unwrap this one for me.
We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas time.
Good job. Okay, so next we are taking 6 tablespoons of packed brown sugar and adding them into the bowl. While you're putting all the ingredients in the bowl, make sure you preheat the oven to 350 degrees.
It will always be Christmas in my heart, but this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
Now we're just using a big spoon to like mush this all together.
Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times.
So while Mason is continuing to mix the butter and brown sugar mixture, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla.
Painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling.
Okay. So once your mixture looks like this, we're gonna add in a cup of flour and mix that in.
Windows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart, but this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
So if your dough is still pretty mushy, you can add another half a cup to a cup of flour, but ours looks good from that one heaping cup that I put in. So now we're gonna add a bag of semi-sweet chocolate chips, which I spilled on the table, as you can see.
Dance and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart.
So as you guys can tell, these cookies have no eggs in it, so the dough is safe to eat. So Mason and I will definitely be tasting the dough before we make the cookies. Okay, so as you're mixing the dough and bringing the chocolate chips in, you want to start using your hands because your hands are warm, so it'll help kind of bring all the dough together and like help everything clump up.
Hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times.
So now we have a baking sheet that's lined with parchment paper, and we're gonna take the cookie dough and roll it with our hands into about 1-inch balls.
All the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart, but this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand.
So the less gooey your cookies are, the less they're gonna spread. So if your cookies are more gooey and liquidy, they're gonna spread a little bit more. So Mason and I placed our cookies all on this tray. And now because it is the holiday times, we have some sprinkles and we're gonna roll a few in the sprinkles. So I am putting some of the Hanukkah sprinkles into the bowl. And then we're going to take a cookie and roll them in the sprinkles.
Painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart, but this year I
wanted to give you guys a closer look of what the cookies look like. So as you can see, we left half of them with just chocolate, and then we have some of the Christmas sprinkles and the Hanukkah sprinkles. What do you think, Mace? Oh, big yawn. Can I get a thumbs up? Thumbs up. So Mason is carrying our cookies over to the oven. All right, and we're gonna place them in our oven that's been preheated to 350 degrees. All right, careful, careful. You want me to do it? Here, we'll do it together. Good job. All right, and close the oven. So our cookies are in the oven, and you're gonna wanna set a timer for 12 minutes and then check on them. So depending on how much flour you add is how round the cookies will be. So as you can tell, we probably should have added more flours, but here are the cookies right out of the oven. So we have transferred the cookies to a drying rack, and as you can see right now they're all stuck together, but once we cut them apart and let them completely cool, then they'll look a little better than this. So we have taken the cookies off, and as you can tell, some of them look really, really pretty. This is a fun activity to do with, with your family, with kids. We added them to a nice family plate. And now, of course, we have to taste test. Mason's gonna taste test the cookie for us. How does it taste? Is it good?
Okay.
Thumbs up from Mace. Approval.
Really?
Really good! Woohoo!
Okay.
So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe video. Baking is one of Mason's favorite things to do and one of my favorite things to do too. So if you guys want to see more baking videos, let us know in the comments below. And we'll see you in our next video. Bye!
I would say baking and eating.
Mwah.
We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing?